Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get approved for Level 2 options trading on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and tap the menu icon. Next, go to Settings, then select Investing. Under Options Trading, tap Enable and start the application process. Robinhood will ask you to fill out a questionnaire. Make sure to answer honestly, but highlight your trading experience and risk tolerance. You'll be asked about your investment objectives, income, net worth, and risk level. To get approved quickly for Level 2 options, it helps to show that you have some prior trading experience, a high risk tolerance, and a stable financial background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.